furnished brand new house dito sa BF Resort Village, Las Piñas. Pasukin natin. May 2-car garage, lot area 186 square meters, floor area 304 square meters. At ito yung foyer, tapos meron kang living area, may double height ceiling, meron kang 65 inches flat screen TV, good for medium size to big families. Merong total of 4 bedrooms plus maid's room plus office. Ang ganda ng iyong dining area. At eto, meron kang covered lanai. May mga CCTV na rito. This is your kitchen. Kompleto lahat ng mga kitchen appliances. Kaya panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Yan na rin yung price and full details. Bye!